Today, we're making Marathi feel alive, moving, happening right now. We're learning the present continuous, the form you use for actions in progress, like I am eating, he is studying, we are walking. This is one of the most useful patterns in real conversation because life is basically one long stream of people eating, working, going, coming, waiting, and saying just 2 minutes while doing something else. In Marathi, the big idea is simple. You take the action word and build a pattern like doing plus am, is, are. Very often you'll hear forms like karat ahe, khat ahe, chalat ahe, shikat ahe. So if you want to say is doing, you often get karat ahe, is eating, khat ahe, is walking, chalat ahe. Think of it like this: the action is wearing sneakers. It is in motion. It has not finished. That's your present continuous. Let's build this slowly with super common actions. Kaam karne means to work. Abhyas karne means to study. Khane means to eat. Chalane means to walk. Now turn them into right now forms. Kaam karat ahe is working. Abhyas karat ahe is studying. Khat ahe is eating. Chalat ahe is walking. Nice. Notice something helpful already. A lot of everyday Marathi uses a very common ongoing pattern with karat for actions like work, study, practice, call, clean, and so on. So instead of trying to memorize 1,000 separate shapes, you can lean on this pattern. Abhyas karat ahe, studying. Kaam karat ahe, working. Phone karat ahe, calling. It's a very friendly pattern. How do you say I am eating now? Mi aata khat ahe. Mi aata khat ahe. That means I am eating now. Good. Aata means now. Tiny word, super useful. If you want to sound natural, words like aata, aaj, ite, ghari make your sentence feel real fast. Aata means now. Aaj means today. Ite means here. Ghari means at home or homeward depending on context. Let's add people to the pattern. Mi ahe. Tu ahes. You are. To ahe. He is. Ti ahe. She is. Aparn ahot. We are. At your level, don't overthink every possible variation. Just get used to the rhythm. So mi khat ahe. I am eating. Tu khat ahes. You are eating. To khat ahe. He is eating. Ti khat ahe. She is eating. Aparn khat ahot. We are eating. And with karat. Mi kaam karat ahe. I am working. Tu abhyas karat ahes. You are studying. To kaam karat ahe. He is working. Ti abhyas karat ahe. She is studying. Aparn chalat ahot. We are walking. How do you say he is studying in Marathi? To abhyas karat ahe. To abhyas karat ahe. Perfect. Abhyas means study or studying, depending on the sentence. Very handy word. If you want to say a student is studying right now, you usually don't need anything fancy. Just do abhyas karat ahe or ti abhyas karat ahe. Now, one easy memory trick. If the action is happening right now, imagine the sentence has a little live camera on it. Live camera means ongoing action. That often pushes you toward forms like karat ahe, khat ahe, salat ahe. If there's no live camera, maybe it's a habit instead. For example, mi roj chalto. I walk every day. That's a habit. But mi aata chalat ahe. I am walking now. That's happening right now. That difference matters a lot. Roj every day usually means habit. Aata now usually means in progress. How do you say we are walking home in Marathi? Aparn ghari chalat ahot. Aparn ghari chalat ahot. Nice. Ghari is a lovely little word. It often means home or at home depending on the sentence. So ghari chalat ahot gives the feeling we are walking home. Very natural. Let's make this more conversational. In real speech, especially casual Marathlish, people may shorten the sound a little. You may hear ahe sounding lighter, or the whole sentence flowing together faster. But for learning, keep the full clear version in your head first. Karat ahe, khat ahe, chalat ahe. Clear first, fast later. First walk, then run. Or in today's lesson, first chalat, then maybe dhavat. Quick side note, Marathi often loves these continuous forms in everyday speech, but don't use them when you really mean a simple habit. For example, I work in Pune is not the same as I am working right now. Habit and current action are cousins, not twins. Friendly cousins. One borrows your charger, the other forgets to return it. How do you say she is working today in Marathi? ती आज काम करत आहे. ती आज काम करता है. Excellent. आज काम करता है. Working today. If you want to make things concrete, time words help a lot. आज today. Ata now. Sadhya, these days or currently. At A2, these are gold. Let's talk about a very common question you will hear all the time. Kai karat ahes? What are you doing? Super useful. If you're talking casually to one person, tu kai karat ahes is perfect. How do you say what are you doing in Marathi? Tu kai karat ahes? Tu kai karat ahes? Beautiful. You can answer with almost anything. Mi khat ahe. I'm eating. Mi abhyas karat ahe. I'm studying. Mi kaam karat ahe. I'm working. Mi chalat ahe. I'm walking. How do you say I am working now in Marathi? Mi आता काम करत आहे. मी आता काम करत आहे. Great. And how do you say you are walking in Marathi? Tu चालत आहेस. Tu चालत आहेस. Very nice. Let's stack a few more, just to make the pattern feel automatic. How do you say I am studying at home in Marathi? मी घरी अभ्यास करत आहे. मी घरी अभ्यास करत आहे. How do you say he is eating in Marathi? तो काट आहे. तो खात आहे. How do you say we are working in Marathi? आपण काम करत आहोत. आपण काम करत आहोत. See the rhythm? Action plus ongoing form. That rhythm is your friend. Now, a few common mistakes learners make. First mistake, using the habit form when you mean right now. If you say mi kato, that can mean I eat as a general statement. But if you mean right now, say mi kat ahe. Second mistake, forgetting the helper part like ahe, ahes, ahot. Without it, the sentence feels incomplete for this structure. So not just mi kat, but mi kat ahe. Third mistake, mixing up karat and kat. Actions like study and work often use karat because the noun plus do pattern is common. Abhyas karat ahe, kam karat ahe. But eating is directly khat ahe, not usually khane karat ahe. That would sound strange. Fourth mistake, saying too much English word order in Marathi. Keep it simple. Subject, then time or place if you want, then action. Mi आता काम करत आहे. ती आज अभ्यास करत आहे. आपण घरी चालत आहोत. Here's a useful shortcut. If the English sentence ends with ing, first ask yourself, is it happening right now? If yes, Marathi will often want this ongoing pattern. Am eating, is studying, are walking. Marathi answers with khat ahe, karat ahe, चालत आहे. Now let's hear a tiny story. Just listen first. मी आज घरी आहे. माझी बहीण किचनमध्ये खात आहे. माझा भाऊ रूममध्ये अभ्यास करत आहे. आई ऑफिसचं काम करत आहे. मी हळूहळू घरी चालत आहे. सगळे काही ना काही करत आहेत. Now let's go one line at a time. मी आज घरी आहे. I am at home today. माझी बहीण किचनमध्ये खात आहे. My sister is eating in the kitchen. माझा भाऊ रूममध्ये अभ्यास करत आहे. My brother is studying in the room. आई ऑफिसचे काम करत आहे. Mom is doing office work. मी हळूहळू घरी चालत आहे. I am walking home slowly. सगळे काही ना काही करत आहेत. Everyone is doing something. Nice little picture, right? And notice how concrete it is. Eating, studying, working, walking. These are exactly the kinds of actions that make present continuous easy to feel. Let's do a fast conversational flow. I ask in English, you think in Marathi. How do you say she is eating now? ती आता खात आहे. ती आता खात आहे. How do you say I am studying in Marathi? मी अभ्यास करत आहे. मी अभ्यास करत आहे. How do you say he is walking in Marathi? तो चालत आहे. तो चालत आहे. How do you say what are you doing now in Marathi? तू आता काय करत आहेस? तू आता काय करत आहेस? How do you say we are eating at home in Marathi? आपण घरी खात आहोत. आपण घरी खात आहोत. Excellent. If your brain is going, wait, this is starting to click. That is exactly what we want. So here's the whole lesson in one easy package. For actions happening right now, Marathi often uses patterns like khat ahe, karat ahe, chalat ahe. For I am, use ahe. For you are, use ahes. For we are, use ahot. Keep time words nearby, like ata for now and aj for today, to make the ongoing meaning obvious. Your memory hook is this. If there's a live camera on the action, use the ongoing form. Live camera means present continuous. And remember the super practical set. Mi khat ahe. I am eating. To abhyas karat ahe. He is studying. Ti kam karat ahe. She is working. Apan chalat ahot. We are walking. Tu kai karat ahes. What are you doing? That's real Marathi you can use today. Not someday, not after reading 12 grammar charts and drinking 3 cups of chai. You're doing great. Seriously. Even if you only remember one pattern today, make it this one. Karat ahe. It opens a lot of doors. Abhyas karat ahe, kam karat ahe, phone karat ahe, wait karat ahe. Very useful, very everyday, very alive. Keep listening, keep repeating. And next time someone asks, Tu kai karat ahes, you won't freeze. You'll answer like a pro. Mi Marathi shikat ahe. Yes, you are learning Marathi, and you're doing it really well.